Hello and welcome to a new Mautic video brought to you by HEM. More on assets. Let's take a look on how to use an asset in Mautic. When you're emailing a contact, you have the option to attach an asset, one or multiple assets. When you're creating a template or segment email, under the Advanced tab, you have the option to attach an asset. When creating an email, and if you included a button and you'd like to link this button, all you have to do is grab first the download URL of the asset and then add it to the button link box. You could also link an asset to your text by simply selecting the text and inserting the asset URL. Thank you very much for watching. For more Mautic videos, please visit our website www.higher-education-marketing.com.